In this lecture, we will learn about second most basic function in Excel, which is average. And we will explore how to use average function by using different methods. On your screen, we have employee-wise database, and by using this database, we will calculate average salaries for all these employees. In our first method, we will use average function by using cell selection. For example, I will delete this first, equal average bracket. Then the first argument is number 1, second number 2, and so on. So here I will go to the database and select our first argument number 1, comma, then number 2, then number 3, then number 4, and so on. And I can also select all these number up to this end. Then I will close the bracket and press enter. And you can see I got the answer 4690. For the counter check, if I select all these 4 numbers, then go to the bottom, and here you can see average 4690. We have the correct answer. As you know, this cell selection method is manual, time taking and time consuming. So if you have big database, then this method is not applicable. So in our next method, we will use average function by using range selection. So I will go here, delete this answer, equal average bracket. Now I will select all this range from C4 to C22, then bracket close, press enter. And you can see I got the answer 7554. For counter check, if I select all these numbers and go to the bottom, and here you can see I have the same answer. In our third method, I will use insert function command. For this, I will delete this first. Then I will go to the header, home, then I will go to formulas ribbon, then the first option, insert function. Click on this. A dialog box appears in front of you. Here the first option, search for a function. I will write it here, function name, average, then click go. And you can see I got the all average function here. So I want to use simple average function, so select this function first and click OK. Another dialog box appears in front of you. There are two arguments, number 1 and number 2. Number 2 is optional argument, so I will go to the number 1, and here I will make my selection from C4 to C22. Then click OK. When I click OK, you can see I got the answer 7554, and I have the same answer which I got it from method 2. So in this way, you can also calculate the average. Now in our next method, I will use AutoSum function for average. So I will delete this first. Then I will go to the header again, and in the formulas ribbon, in the function library, the first option is AutoSum. And you can see the drop down menu underneath the AutoSum. Just click on this, and you can see the second option is average. When you click on average, then Excel activate the auto selection option. Simply make your correct selection, which is from C4 to C22, and press enter. And then you can get the same answer which you also got it from method 2 and method 3. So in this way, you can use average function by using multiple methods.